Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this scatter girl aesthetic in Dress to Impress. So this detailed look brings the ultimate scatter girl aesthetic to life with edgy vibes, chill fits, and effortless cool girl energy. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So for the hair in here, I'm going to just use this updo hair, this long one in here, and you can choose the color that you prefer, but for me, I'm going to color it black. Then I'm going to combine it with the bangs. And once you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the women's section in here and put on this top. Then I'm going to color it black, and in here I'm going to grab this chains, and for the shoe I'm going to grab this shoe from the men's section. So put on this one. You can change the color if you want it, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to just leave it as it is. And here I'm going to grab the pants. So for the pants, I'm going to wear this white jeans in here and change the color into this army color like this, and toggle it into pockets. Change the pockets color also in army. And I'm going to grab this headphones like this. And next, I'm going to put on these belts in here and this sleeves. Color it black, and this will be the final result. If you want to, you can also add or put on the skateboard just like this. And you can change the color using the color that you prefer. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.